Hello again my friends. Now in this tutorial I wanna show you how to download or get a YouTube thumbnail with easy steps. Simply guys, if you want any YouTube thumbnail to download to your PC, simply select any thumbnail you want, right click as you can see and select copy link address. Okay, then go to Google, type get thumbnail as you can see, enter. Okay, the first link here, don't worry guys, I will put the link in the description below. Okay, here paste, right click, paste the link address of the video. Okay, now click get YouTube thumbnail as you can see this YouTube thumbnail. Okay, simply right click again, save image as. Okay, save in your destination you want, any destination you want. Okay, desktop, save. Now as you can see we have this thumbnail. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.